Remember Ghana for the kind of people who are on the board of Metro TV. I'll come and show you the kind of people they are. They will tell you our integrity is important. But those foolish people on Metro TV board, they are going to allow this criminal. As we speak, this guy is under criminal investigations. And the investigation is not just ordinary. He has stolen government money. How some individuals are helping some political criminals to evade a year. To evade a prosecution. I'm talking about Paul Adom-Otchere, now officially a political criminal. Paul Adom-Otchere, right now in Ghana, we all know, say, or a political criminal. He's a thief, he's a criminal. And the OSP, Afreno, Ama investigations. So this guy is a hardened, filthy, dirty criminal who has been parading on our TVs as a journalist. And then you drew the fight against corruption. Why we are struggling to fight corruption. Ahimfobi di omo jim asofobi eteten kwanchen na amanfobi ebo krono ewia Ghana efa yesika ekɔhye ekɔbɔ dwaman ede sebio ede kɔfamma ekokunipa na sebio ahimfo asofo bi ehihye kire pacho sene yebepa so ama eyedien katahye yakono no eye nipa bi ene hye kire eko etia Ghana man ede nwumbre eya Paul Adom-Otchere oye kromfo a ende the OSP ama Ghana fo ni ewiase nyina hu se oye hardened political criminal. This guy, this filthy drug peddler, this guy called Paul Adom-Otchere, or a criminal who is under investigations. And we should not take this lightly. When we get there, I will break it down for you to understand why we are struggling as a nation to fight corruption. Midi the Kevin Taylor, Ujamekura Mijim, the Obabia Gigim, Yabano, Nayaba, Facebook, Nipa Jinaso, YouTube, Nipa Jinaso, and then Yumbre, Medi Juma, Metchech and Semu, Minim Sagana for Bebrena, Omuhumi Ogana, Omuniaje. And I see you almost all my time on a yomuya. Kevin Taylor, no, if your man come to Ghana, I don't have a story. My bag Ghana, abedi 1 whole month, 4 weeks. At na to quine, Eura Santimemu, Eura, Ghana, Fane Bebre, Edidin Como Asia Adofo, Bermanifie, yeah, any mema. Yaba, Akokras, Epia, Renam, Yana, or Mino, Yachir fire, Inti se bema ba emba nyina nka dem and then you bring ye bedi djuma ama Ghana for ehunu kure no and then hu eye video bi a girl anu sini bi o kan see o mega say na Kevin Taylor physically challenged and as a disabled person I kan ho asem girl bi na o hwene a I said tete ladder exhaust pipe no na hwene esi na ni ase an as tete bi sa I say ye de kwaji bidie I saw on the MPP for Jimmy Gabi Nitika Krakabi I me who know and I Kevin Taylor yes as a Kevin Taylor about Ganam say be near good so o got it today ke ko twa to ye nya bro a ebura wo and anke bu etwa to get tie bi say I ankwa no mabi na hwene I say buta apim ho on say buta ana sebio a teacher for from Malam from the pim for ma na asia na amoa kakra get tie bi ai o hwet bi ogira wa asia de pepa yeto tete no na ye ko eye bomba no ye ko twa yeto no ye pe brodua de nya yetumi bu saa de no e de pepa yeto ena Kevin Taylor ye di asia hwe wo ni be Kevin Taylor free o dwan abota. Good evening to Otumfo said to Nana Chanchan hine onana ba ko pe Kevin Taylor de bia wo se mentia onana no de bi na omagimi no Otumfo said to amame eye the green light say sebi on nananom na ebi na omo agimi no mentia omo enti amame green light ne de sebi o Otumfo nana na wagimi a metia wo sa wadwini wo fie na onim nyansa sebi mebo abaso enti sa wo Otumfo nana bebia wo tibia wo wiase ana santimem na wagimi a metia wo de ba no amanfo ni man koma twitwi break ye girem na ye girem e de na ekoso abenti bi da be ba Ghana no na Ghana, I really enjoyed Ghana. It was lovely. Team, stay with me. Team, stay with me. It was lovely. It was lovely being in Ghana. I came with my family, my wife, my beautiful wife, Mrs. Amorosa Schwartz Taylor, and my daughters, Zara, AC Schwartz Taylor, and also Carmen Abba Sasu Taylor. I came with my family, a very beautiful family. We toured the nation. We were free. We moved freely. We went to to parks, we went to events, we met so many people. I went to Cape Coast, I went around the world, I went around the nation, I traveled all over the place. It was beautiful. I didn't have to bother myself. Every single soul I met loved me, and I loved them back. Haters were scared because me say ma chichira to so we share na adwene boni kura wutima obemmene sanetie. You could see people obokura mpema so mu share me omu we chire that is the Unyankopon de amaye no yebetiam enti lots and lots of things me something in Ghana me experienced a lot of things in Ghana. By the way, or some tears say obi any Ghana obetima stop here from coming to Ghana. Nobody, no animal, no pet. Abo bi any obetima stop here. Ye Ghana ne yetete here. Ghana ne nyini ye Ghana for obi any wo abo bi any ho pet bi any Ghana obetima stop Kevin Tiller from entering Ghana. No animal. No animal to me. Abue bi any Ghana obetima stop Kevin Tiller from entering Ghana. No animal. Inti when you hear people make noise. Dede no mo ye. Inti ana mumbra muwase. Dede ayo aba. Maintain your level. Maintain your level. And I want to say this to the NPP. Masa mameka bibi nchiremo. As far as I live, as far as Otwedia Ponkwame Unyankopon ewo ho, de odi ama me no edan wo mitrim obo me ho ban no, I will keep you in opposition. I will nullify the party. Meguno. And me ba Ghana krampo na menya sa 100% conviction say me good party no. Inti I'm sending this message to you, whether you people like it or not. As far as I live, as far as Onyankopon obo me ho ban, me ba Ghana mutu me dro twice. Obi enyame. 2 times. One was behind the Kufuor's house. I went to visit somebody there. The other one was when I was at Radio Go too. I know. But you see, as far as Onyankopon edi mechino makase megu party no meguno mo bibi da hu. Now you people know you don't have a party meguno, and I'll nullify the party meguno. Me wi anam the snap akomo tu for some bomb payengu so me akọ na mekasa no be manifie party na mudi akire no without due respect ye Jimmy for party nyansa ye friend nyansa ebi ni party nim enyansafo nim ye pese ye chichire Ghana ko enim ye pese ye ball man ho bra. In the next 42 years, Ghana as a nation, we can all be bold, happy, and also have that confidence in our nation. The NPP is not supposed to be part of the new history we are building. No. It does not matter what you think. It does not matter how you feel about me. It is not going to change what I do. My catch-up is simple. And other people who are intelligent like myself, honest and patriotic to protect Ghana. Our job is to protect the NDC. The NDC will make mistakes. We will understand those mistakes. We will correct them. If we have to criticize them constructively, we will do that. But we will make sure we keep the NDC in power for 42 years. My job is to make sure John Dramani Mahama succeeds as a president. How long he wants to be president, I don't know. But how many years he wants to be president, I will make sure John Mahama succeeds. Yes. So it is up to you, the MPP, to tell the people out there that you are a political party. Me being a target, me catch them for the beginning. I am the firewall around John Dramani Mahama and the MDC government. You cannot break me, meaning the NDC government will deliver. So it is not a joke anymore. It is not funny anymore. Nobody in Ghana should underestimate the new revolution. This revolution of changing the mindset of the young people, changing the mindset of Ghanaians, that a political party that is a social political party is ready and willing to deliver. And we are seeing the glimpses. Clearly, we are all seeing the difference between a party that is ready to work and the foolish political party that is aligned to stupid tribal sentiments. We are done with people who are affiliated to their tribe than being intelligent. We are talking about governance. We are not talking about chieftaincy. Now, you do a some way so beside Gina Ayedian Ahemfono so, and it's got to do with Paul Adom-Otchere. And this is something we need to take our time and talk about. As we speak today, officially, this criminal, Paul Adom-Otchere, is under investigations. Yekrobia Sebio Yenim Nyansa pa. And Omwa Metro TV, so the board of directors of Metro TV. So they should tell this guy never to stand on that TV again until the investigations are done. The board of directors of Metro TV are criminals. So they will never allow this filthy criminal who is under criminal investigation. Paul Adom-Otchere is under criminal investigations. It's not just any ordinary investigation. So Paul Adom-Otchere is a criminal as we speak. He is under investigations. Into your hene na oma akwa we begina wanim se waba wa himfie na onu bedi nkomo a wo hene no kwa ye kromfo. Na criminal investigations na da Paul Adom-Otchere so no enye se bi okowia na asori sika o wawia Ghana man no sika. And it's all your hene. It does not matter where you are. You can be in the north, east, south, wherever. Now makwasia we wura wa himfie say me Paul Adom-Otchere, a criminal who is under investigation. Abegina wenim and who bedin komo mo asoso ne so a aka say yeda wase and na we this year now we on hene no we kwasia. If you say wo so corruption so this guy should be blacked out. And anytime make say Metro TV, the board of Metro TV, tomorrow I'll come and show you their pictures. Remember Ghana for the kind of people who are on the board of Metro TV. I'll come and show you the kind of people they are. They will tell you our integrity is important. But those foolish people on Metro TV board, they are going to allow this criminal. As we speak, this guy is under criminal investigations. And the investigation is not just ordinary. He has stolen government money. Now, let's go back to the statement from the special prosecutor. They will delve into the criminality of this dirty, filthy fool we are entertaining in Ghana. Because a krobia sebio ye penokra, I was a Paul Adom-Otchere, he's supposed to be in jail by now. Now, when you read the letter from the special prosecutor, or the charge Paul Adom-Otchere, unya butrena u read the letter na, you see some fine things in there. And then they justify why Paul Adom-Otchere today, so we a TV station, at the same Metro, now we allow this fool to stand on that TV to speak about Ghana. Then you, the board of directors of Metro, Jimmy, you don't respect the intelligence of Ghanaians. When you read the special prosecutor's statement that he released, or say, the office of the special prosecutor, OSP, has interviewed and formally charged the former board chairman of the Ghana Airport Company Limited, Paul Adom-Otchere, and two others. Or say, special prosecutor say, and they no release way. Or say, what charge a former Ghana Airport Company board chair. It is special prosecutor. He charged somebody who occupied government position. Sikebia yetua Paul Adom-Otchere na eyemenewo taxes. The special prosecutor did not charge Paul Adom-Otchere as a private citizen. Only Paul Adom-Otchere need any business. The only way reason to charge Paul Adom-Otchere or investigating in the say na abain sika ana abain dwumadie Paul Adom-Otchere nsa. So Paul Adom-Otchere is a former government appointee. So let's draw the line. There's a difference between Paul Adom-Otchere being a quack journalist, a propagandist, and there's a difference between Paul Adom-Otchere being a former Ghana Airport Company, a Ghana for their board chair. He took an appointment from a political party that was in power. So let us not mix Paul Adom-Otchere being a political appointee with Paul Adom-Otchere being a liar, a thief, a criminal, somebody who basically rapes women and make it look like fun in Germany. No. So there are two different things here. Paul is being investigated because now you are buying munipa. Now when you move forward or you keep reading the document, that's what it says. He is required to present 2 landed properties of no specific value registered in his name. However, he has informed the OSP that he does not own landed property in Ghana. As a result, he remains in custody until the bail terms are satisfied. Moka ise Paul Adom-Otchere, ye catch and say onfa ayeden, nyome bi odubesia wawa ekire se onwane na OSP mani nko fie no, oka se Ghana ha na ote no, oni ejapade bia, na OSP say fine. So oni ejapade bia dia ene hyem. Now, the 2 other persons are Otchere Kwame Bafo Ewua. That's Group Executive, Commercial Services, GACL, and that's a Ghana Airport Company Limited, and Albert Ajelayi, CEO of DevNest Systems. Almost so I'm Paul Bokronwa, a special prosecutor, at the HRG almost no. Now, okay, the last paragraph, special prosecutor, a Louisiana, this is what he said. Mr. Adom-Otchere is under investigation in connection with a revenue assurance contract between the Ghana Airport Company Limited and a private firm owned by the proprietor of Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited, that's the SML. The OSP is examining possible procurement breaches, including a sole source contract awarded to a company other than the one approved by Ghana Airport Company Limited board. Inti Paul Adom-Otchere chair chiri to nyina na a board chair na oye e Ghana Airport Company ento ne chair no enye because oni OSP a problem. Enye because odidi OSP atem. Enye because Ekufuado manisika se ongu OSP de nimase. That is not my problem. Paul Adom-Otchere was arrested because he was given appointment to be the board chair at Ghana Airport Company Limited. Now, Paul Adom-Otchere emaniba fie no. Thank you, team. You have something for me? Thank you very much, Mr. S. Thank you for making this ready. I really appreciate this. Paul Adom-Otchere be fie no. Finally, the same Metro TV and a Just Spawn company. And at the end of the day, omutam sika se Paul Adom-Otchere, even though wabo Ghana krono and hwa waka adwemu no, omo Jakpa de kosi awawa ene yi Paul Adom-Otchere eba fie. That's right. Now, the reason why internal Ghana for ye kemu bebrebe in 2017 to 2024 ni nyina say na corruption ketahye every single day. You say appointees omo wa ban mu omo wie sika. So Ghanaians were so angry. Ghanaians for over 60 years, we have been trying to fight corruption. And over the years, Nipa Bebre raised the issue be about people in Ghana are more positions are. Sa positions, no, de ebre the fight against corruption. I say. It's been one big problem. Nobody wants to own up to it. Abaya Adebia Adom-Otchere. And it has become recently has become a norm. Say obi bokro no obi wi aban sika na yesi nipa bi hihye kire a omoboa masa nipa no sebio krono oboye no yeyi sa nipa de frim abra ye ntwe na so na one ye nyina ya tete sansem ni bi wo ho ba na ye nheda ngindi efri say sebio unto see benya hard evidence no na nipa bebre wo Ghana ngindi say so obi di Ghana sika. When somebody commits a crime, when somebody steals from the taxpayer, when somebody becomes corrupt and steal from the taxpayer, na yenjin this says so obi wia Ghana sika ye woni nipa bi a omo ye titiri for omo tumi tena emma eye den nipa ya mo mutumi se omo ntwe sa nipa na so pressure say omo njai sa akromfo no since say e wo me Ghana na minim se sa de na eye no kre. I never believed that there were people in Ghana, prominent people in Ghana, who will be sitting in their homes and putting pressure on government agencies to release criminals into the system again. But some painful way, so when they get the opportunity during speeches, say, let us fight corruption. Let us go against corruption. Let us all come together and make sure when people commit a crime, we as a nation, yaman mrana yejuma. Until Paul Adom-Otchere some way by no, na minim say you want penny for Ghana. Their job is to protect criminals. The system is trying to put away for good. Now, Paul Adom-Otchere ba fie no, obey video ekire e kwan a efa so e mani ba fie. Because there was no way Paul Adom-Otchere was going to get a bail, because he basically told a special prosecutor say on Ghana no wono oni Japadi bia. So the question here is, per Paul Adom-Otchere statement or make here after a year say kromfo no per insema okaye no, it means that the fight against corruption no is going to be very difficult. Now mummy anko tie Paul Adom-Otchere ene insema okaye time a free jail baye as a criminal. Na ye wia yentie ne enjudwam na magana for ehu nokre no. This is the criminal Paul Adom-Otchere.
Received to my pastors, Pastor Otabel. Rosemary said he called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensha Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received to my pastors, Pastor Otabel. Rosemary said he called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hine, and the senior officials of Menshia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received. To my pastors, Pastor Otabel, Rosemary said he called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hine, Jache, Jusumai Hine, and the senior officials of Menshia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received. To my pastors, Pastor Otabel, Rosemary said he called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hine, Jache, Jusumai Hine, and the senior officials of Menshia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received. To my pastors, Pastor Otabel, Rosemary said he called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hine, Jache, Jusumai Hine, and the senior officials of Menshia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received. To my
so Paul Adom-Otchere bedru fie no and I catch Ghana for say oh krono boy nyina no wia Ghana political appointment or G and the Kufuado to go and watch Ghana airport as the board chair no special prosecutor eche no ko shemu a na ye tutu na no a e wo se ye gi esika no Paul Adom-Otchere ba no beka che se oh nipa bi a na sebio omo wo ho a ye nim omo a sebio omo na ema eye special prosecutor na pressure or see those people put pressure on the system. A very serious statement. That means the special prosecutor could not resist the pressure. That means Paul Adom-Otchere, who is a criminal, no, nipa bi a obubo omudino, omo na de pressure eto edien, to a special prosecutor no so, to system no so, ema a thief, a criminal like Paul Adom-Otchere let loose into the system again. Now, nipa na obubo omudino, sebio ye Ghana for a dear obuboye, and you see, or can be said, the leadership. Monsantie Paul be me wiana medjo matchrem Paul nie.
Received. To my pastors, Pastor Otabel, Rosemary said he called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hine, Jache, Jusumai Hine, and the senior officials of Menshia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received.
Into here, or see, time or wohono. Kwamo Hine, or you're one of the chiefs, or the pressure man, special prosecutor. No, those were the guys. Ahemfua. You expect to say so. Obi area or mine. So obi bo or mine chrono. Na say ye be investigations. I was almost no making sure say no cre akoda be dano or say sa ahemfo to say Kwamo Hine. Sa or Hine no sebio or dintintimai and making sure say my friend special prosecutor na amane pressure. Say omunjai Paul, even though Paul abokro no, or say Kwamo Hine, your Hine bia odi sa adwuma ni bi. Or say Jache Hine, ono so ha, ono so your Hine bia odi tintimai onim sa Paul abokro no, ye nyina ye kasetia ketahye say special prosecutor na enchi aban mu nipa engum no. Ye say Jache Hine so obi a he was also influential, putting pressure on the special prosecutor to make sure Paul Adom-Otchere no ye yi na free jail. Obo Jusumai Hine ono so no picture wa ha. Jusumai Hine so na ono so edimu tintiman. Omo nyina santiman for ahemfo. Omo so etam phone na omo de pressure to system no so. We ya ahemfo na expect to say. So obi bo krono wo aban mu a. Eni se nka omo do omo frafrem. Nanso ende Paul Adom-Otchere me atiase say asofo anasa sofo te se Mensa Otabel one Kwamo Hine, Jache Hine, ene Juso Hine, omo te wonom se Paul abokro no enso yenja ne mane nko enya me na me kan ye na de okan ne mane ye hu kase ewo mu nyina ne se o see the senior officials of Menshia Palace okan ya go ka kire say Uba mensia impenifu omudi mensia nim. Omo na omo de pressure pa eto system ne so a emaye yi no free ho. Even though no abokro no the senior leadership. Or see the senior officials. You can say senior. That means untumi yi otumfo mfrim. Sebi o mampon hine wumom nipa bi o hye na nan bia no untumi yi ne mfrim. Untumi yi eyeden akomu hine mfrim. Untumi yi bantama hine mfrim. Untumi yi dwaben hine mfrim. Untumi yi eyeden bekwa hine. These are senior members omo menhia na emre bi abayo bi kasatia otumfo ema saa mpanifo no tena ase se eye abayo na no etia otumfo nti omo twe nase. Sa senior members be including otumfo, because you cannot tell me say senior members in menhia without including otumfo. No. And the Adom-Otchere in his statement, say even though Wabo Ghana Chrono, where we are Ghana, he is a thief, he's a criminal under investigations. No, Omo no, emani free jail, ebatene fie free no, eye otumfo na hemfo a, omo wo eye de menhia palace. Hey, this is not a joke. This is not a joke, and this is an indictment on Otumfo and menhia palace. Right now, we know. Paul Adom-Otchere tia say ye tia kronfo wo Ghana per Paul Adom-Otchere statement no e ye menhia ne emu pedifo and a tamphone emma aban pressure say omunja kronfo. This is a very serious statement. Per his own statement, opeso kachire say wa ma tia say menhia na esi esiwo eko de eketahye menhia na esi esiwo eko no kore Otumfo say tutu na kachi yehunu se eye krogen a yentumi mfa kro no emfore no and the Paul Adom-Otchere atena TV so aka kire Ghana fo nyina say me ball Ghana kro no me wi Ghana sika e wo se emra ne medi no Otumfo eye menhia senior officials. You cannot mention senior officials who benhia abra onfa menana Otumfo say tutu nka ho. So as we speak today, the fight against corruption is very difficult. So Paul Adom-Otchere face prosecution na ye menhia. And is it only Paul Adom-Otchere ye kan wasem? Ebia there are other people omo mekan ya ye nim se menhia mpo hye chire. Now, if menhia wants to prove to us, say, it is not a palace that protects and defends criminals, we need menhia to disassociate itself from this criminal. Because a menhia to man, yes, then from today, no, we will see Otumfo say to menhia, say, a palace that is there to protect criminals who steal from the taxpayer. That is my worry. Because if we don't check this, if the right things are not done, if menhia does not come out to disassociate itself from this statement from Paul Adom-Otchere, say oh no ebeji aban adwuma ebu aban fa so he's under investigations ya chi no say menhia mba abontra meka say enye ye ne and ye ka kire a special prosecutor ye the pressure egu system no so then it means menhia from today we will see menhia palace Otumfo say to and then senior officials of menhia say they are making the fight against corruption very difficult for us, and that when we talk about corruption menhia. And this is not a joke. Say the ahimfe kesiye say society political criminality, then it brings down the integrity and credibility of a palace like menhia palace. Tie Paul Adom-Otchere
received to my pastors, Pastor Otabel. Rosemary said you called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of menhia palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received to my pastors, Pastor Otabel. Rosemary said you called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs,
the part of the statement that is more dangerous, and they say the senior officials of menhia palace who insisted. You see, so what one can say the senior officials of menhia palace who put pressure on the system, or say they put pressure and insisted. As Paul Adom-Otchere, it will go a long way to affect menhia. Because on record, right now we know, say, a political fugitive, criminal, a political ex-convict, like Paul Adom-Otchere, a political criminal like Paul Adom-Otchere, Ghana history, you know, original TV so can say he's being protected by Mensia. So I was summarizing the Paul Adom-Otchere here now. Intende, or he biti baby, or he biti baby, or can say, Chiakai. It Mensia na debia, sorry, Mensia no. Juma Mensia dini. That is what people are going to say. It will bring down that respect. So, or he biti baby, or can say, Chiakai. Iti mensia na yakano sana de no mo ye enie de omoti mensia enie. This is from Paul Adom-Otchere nenu asem. Also the senior officials of Mensia who put pressure on the system and insisted, hey, we are not joking here. This is not supposed to be a joke. This is basically an indictment on Mensia Palace. Ama Palace now looking like a criminal entity. I'm telling you. And the way I respect Otumfuo and him for Bohoro, I expect them to come out and disassociate themselves from this criminal. Because a Sardine and Sia, then anyone can sit anywhere else and say, Mensia, Confronting, and I can tell you, it is something that some people will take advantage of and say. Because the Mensia to Mama Bontine, we are not part of what he's saying. We don't know anything about what he's saying. And Mensia did not put pressure on the system. Then people right now will think, say, the work of Mensia is to protect criminals like Paul Adom-Otchere. And so, Santini, I don't care. So, the issue here is the Paul Adom-Otchere, no. Or China Bejra baby, I say, or two for nana, maybe I say, Confronting. Yeah. Me say, Ubetima Jimanu Sibone, Nana di Odim de Americano. Me say, Ubetima Bon Samarahine. Ubetum Santiago, Ubejra Bejum, Abo Dinsam ya Santini. Omaka say, we are Santini, inti mo enemo yineno ena mo protect ya Confronting. Until we need Mensia to come and disassociate itself from this statement, because it will go a long way to destroy Asantemine. It will destroy Otumfuo. Because that statement, if Mensia does not come out to disassociate itself, I can sit here, somebody can sit somewhere else and say, Mensia, every single official there, including Otumfuo, is people who protect criminals. Corruption. Then you pese yeko corruption. Then you pese yeko ketasheshe na ahemfotete ahemfie na omo ma system na pressure. Say yenim se Paul Adom-Otchere abokro no, yenim se oyewi, yenim se aban sika no wafa, na enso munja no. How can we allow this to happen? Until Mensia and the senior officials of Mensia come out to tell us, say, dear Paul Kaino, omuni moshe no, we will see Mensia asantemai ahemfo mu woman say they are the ones making the fight against corruption difficult. And I know, Otumfuo said to Kadebia, or say Pania Krat etu Kejetia, Ote. So I know Otumfuo knows about this. He has heard it, he has seen the video. Into say Otumfuo taking action. Say Mensia taking action. Then it means that Otumfuo is endorsing. When we sit here and say Mensia a corrupter, Otumfuo should not be angry. I'm going to state this again. Otumfuo pin anapanya tokejetia ote. Sa video ya Paul Adom-Otchere ti no Otumfuo ehu. Mensia penyini bi ehu. Se Otumfuo ne Mensia refuse say ombeba out abe disassociate omo every statement we are. Then we also have the right to say Mensia is corrupt, and nobody should see Mensia as a palace whereby they can protect our nation. They can help us fight corruption. And this is something that has to be done now. And to say action now, then obviously, then it means directly Otumfuo Kachere say yes, that is what they do at Mensia. Paul did not mince words. These are his own words.
Received to my pastors, Pastor Otabel. Rosemary said you called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll say Jusumai Hene, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. received. To my pastors, Pastor Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensha Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensha Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom-Otchere. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do
this is where we are as a nation. Baby Ayeduni. And I am for Kessia per Paul Adom-Otchere statement. And then the Obi Bokronwa no omusha him fie. I insist at the pressure air to systems to say in yomo. Baby Ayedudi. This is where we are. You might not like me. I don't care. I don't care about how you feel. I'm making you know the truth. Me mawa hu no krano. I'm making you know the truth. It's not you not liking me. And I'll go to that TikTok and do my time the best summer argument. I am telling Ghana for no kreno. See, I see a person change as antimine. You pay your 2-4. You can't say no be a India. And you can't chance antimine or 2-4 say, Omunchi omun free sacron casa we home. If there's a mensia, any of him for a cassia woman share, and to me a marbontine, and chop one fua. And the Sebio, Obibasia, ya win and cano, not Sebio, the Otin and Canason so come. Because Penin Tief entnefie Eman and Cadian and yet the one I'm the buy it. This is an advice to all of us. Say a person, your woman just say it's a sacred place. And the moment any mention casa. And as a mention, yasa obuona, yana nanum de atua bedroom na, and the any mention casa, na mensia emra bontin meka se dabi. The Paul kind of bois. Now, dear Yan say, Paul Adom-Otchere kwasi ampenyi besa ko ahimfie ewa santimemu na ohini bi ewa santimemu agye no oh me de hye na mo saa ahemfo no ade akyi a omo say yatena se yebedi asem ma seti kromfo free ma insist put pressure on the system aseti kromfo free obi a we millions of cedis every Ghana for ho ade akyi ya mo saa ahemfo ejoso hene insuta hene Kwamo Hene, Jache Hene, mo ahemfo amaka otumfo ahemfo mpenifo include otumfo inti ade achia mo betena menhia samudi asemana. I am asking a simple question. Ade achia menhia betena se odi asem, and what credibility na menhia wa odi asem if you say menhia from Paul Adom-Otchere statement menhia na the pressure to system ne so Otumfo and the senior officials and the pressure to system no so and sister say no Paul Adom-Otchere kromfo no you know Paul Adom-Otchere is a political criminal. Mensa Otabra mesema kana asem or one of the most despicable human beings in Ghana. Mensa Otabo nti na ekwesuma no sade ende obewu atoesien. Mensa Otabo ne boni na atoesien etua ho ka. Mensa Otabo ya osese curtains nam Ghana ne boni nti na atoesien ewu. And Mensa Otabo carry the blood of atoesien till he dies because of the crime they committed running the bank. Because of politics, some people were sidelined. Mensa Otabo can never walk away from the blood of Atuesien. If Atuesien dies today, it's the fault of Mensa Otabo and his group of people who were on the board. Because Boni Omudini, the young man, no. I'm not saying the young man was not part of it. Mensa Otabo and the young men, they all took part in this crime. Why were they selective in who to jail? And who was the person who jailed Atuesien? The Jakpa for the same judge. It's immediate make catch mensia with all due respect. Say mensia pese this buo ne mano. Mensia pese on pese Ghana benya ne kasetia. Otumfo pese Ghana mbebunu embayiwa embabawa Ghana mpenifo obia ebenya mensia kasetia mensia ntwe ne ho mfiri krono wemu. Because you see from what Paul Adom-Otchere is saying, no krono no boy no mensia is associated with the crime. And I don't want Otumfo na hinia way be associated with a political crime. Never. And it's not make us say, with all due respect to Otumfo, with all due respect to the leadership of Mensia, a statement should be released. Someone refuses somebody releases statement, and then it means say a yampa. The Paul Adom-Otchere can say Mensia and Emma the fight against corruption heading. It is Mensia that is protecting political criminals. It is Otumfuo Osei and his leadership. They are the ones behind criminals duping this nation. We need clarification on this matter. We need Mensia, we need Asofwa, Yabubo Mudingina. We need all these people to come out and clear their names. It is very, very simple. Paul Adom-Otchere is a thief. He is a political criminal. Baby Paul Adom-Otchere no say this guy on this planet, he's a political criminal. He's a thief. He's a filthy, dirty drug peddler. Or ye area with the Ghana Sika. And I kept telling Zoom Lion, any Metro TV, and yet on board and they say, Paul Adom-Otchere is under criminal investigation. Why do you want him to stay on Metro TV? Then it means say the owner and the board, you people are involved in criminality. And Zoom Lion is a very respectable man. Me panasem, me respect him. He has contributed to the development of this nation. I will never stand anywhere to disrespect Zoom Lion. But if Zoom Lion and the board of Metro TV company ni omudia esaka sa Paul Adom-Otchere nkojina TV so Zoom Lion or your Pentecost penyini. Zoom Lion or your Pentecost penyini. Zoom Lion has always stood up against corruption. Zoom Lion has always lived a life majority of Ghanaians respect. So Zoom Lion but just a Pentecost ni papa or kanokre. Now the board members of Metro TV say and they all want us to fight corruption. Paul Adom-Otchere is not supposed to be given any room to stand on Metro TV because he's under criminal investigation. He's under criminal investigation. The guy is a thief, potential criminal. He's under investigation. Why do you allow him to stand on your TV? This fool who goes around raping girls, raping ladies, going around and fooling. He is able to even bring women, dirty women, filthy, dirty girls into Metro TV, Pentecost TV station.
Again today, you will be able to know when the goal comes, you know what the goal means. Okay, so this is the celebrated Black Stars with their captain in the center, Andre. We wish him the best of luck. Our reporter Ibrahim will be telling us who is able to play and who is not able to play. So let's get to the details. Now, read this with me. For Ghana to gain automatic qualification, they will need to come runner-up in their group. Again today, you will be able to know when the goal comes, you know what the goal means. Okay, so this is the celebrated Black Stars with their captain in the center, Andre. We wish him the best of luck. Our reporter Ibrahim will be telling us who is able to play and who is not able to play. So let's get to the details. Now, read this with me. For Ghana to gain automatic qualification, they will need to come runner. I don't know who the old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon, South. Okay, so where do we go? Roller coaster. Okay, so where do we go? Roller coaster. Okay, so where do we go? Roller coaster. Okay, so where do we go?
Yes, first, what to nibali dino? Nebana da, na so, and a tuni, Messenes a picture namo. A yammy one say, pictures here we show Mumiam send them because my Paul can and rano, and I'm me, my ba out. Because my board, my senior diacomano. But Paul, wouldn't be, and then me person me crema would say, send me Joyce. I would name me some ya mamma say one mamma no. Wo be Jimmy di say ni America na ye no kren Paul. Me de Antoine so ni ama some aye audio na bro. Say wo say mamma say why your family friend na won ne ndada. Won mamma say why your family friend won ne ndada. Nya wo hwe no no. Your family friend. Paul, say your family friend and padia wo ho totroto. Say audio no me friend ma wa boetie. Na say your family friend. Ena ni kunu ni nua ba wa force ni nadan for no na twempa since 2020 I was started sad there no Paul me di Antoine so ni ama me di techi my friend me di aguna akwaman nsuo Paul me di bowdua say wone me ba ma me say wada would date no over since 2020 na wo be job platform so abeka kire ye say or your family member Paul Kwalabadi Beach Hotel na munko bisa say why na Kwalabadi Beach Hotel a onim wone ma me say wa what.
So viewers, you remember that I'm addressing this matter because I read the text messages and the comments underneath it, and I was completely surprised. So I decided to address it. I think you remember this photograph, viewers. I think you remember this photograph. Last year, I was invited by these two gentlemen that you see here to Oktoberfest in Germany. This is the video. Show them the video. This video I showed here. Now, Due Respect has a video of me and a lady whom I know well. She's like a family friend. She lives in Germany. And I was in Munich. She doesn't live in Munich. She had come with her family to Oktoberfest. And because I didn't understand German and I know her quite well, I asked her to come along. It's Oktoberfest is a festival, if you know. It's a festival. So it's happening on a park. Everybody's there. It's a very huge park there. And they were showing me German. Some of the park shows German history of German technology, entertainment, fun, all these things, roller coaster, all of that. So we're going through. And I invited her to follow me. So she kept her nanny with her daughters, her children. And then she followed me just so that she can explain the German that the people are saying in case they are saying something. You know, we Africans, we're always suspicious like that. In case they are saying something. And Oktoberfest is a festival. It's fun. So there's hugs, there's pegs, there's all of that going on over there. So when she was leaving, when she finished and she was leaving, she held me and gave me a peg. And there's a video of it, which was loaded on the Oktoberfest Instagram page. Due Respect shows the video yesterday, says that the girl I'm dating her. I have bought a house for $1.2 million in Germany for her. She doesn't want me again. I don't know what it means. She doesn't want me again. I am threatening her. Absolutely, I've never dated her. I'm not threatening her. I've not. So I called her and I said, have you seen this? She doesn't know Due Respect. She has never spoken to Due Respect before. So she's asked her lawyers to draft a statement for her so she can put on social media that she's the lady in the photograph. She has no problem with me. I'm just a friend, a close friend, family friend. She comes to Ghana. She calls me. She's been with me and my family people at a concert in Ghana, Kofi Kenata. We all went to see it. She came there with her children. They were there. And they stayed in the same hotel as because an Oktoberfest hotel. At some point, I even asked her to go organize watching for me. You know me and my street food things. I ate some watching in Washington, D.C. It was brutal. It was made by Indians. I was in Washington. I said I wanted watching. And one of the people said, okay, I can get you watching. They brought the watching. It was super. So I said, Charlie, can you organize watching for me? We had all that fun. This Due Respect guy says, I am threatening the lady that I will kill her
because I'm dating her and she says she won't date me anymore. I mean, such total fallacy, bizarre story because they don't have content.
Is this the kind of person you people want to put your credibility on the line for? Just remind him. Ubedi hine na we na wodo o credibility be protected. Jaache hine. Ope hine di ope gine mame bobo ro ko no na mento aso. Enti eye kumewu hine medi hine no mo credibility no Paul Adom-Otchere kronfo we na mo de beto so. Jaache hine munya me hine no na Paul Adom-Otchere ewi we kronfo atetobotom ni drug addict we entina eye jaache akonwa no mo de besi awawa kumewu man hene dwabe hene intima konwa no Paul Adom-Otchere kwasia wenti ena akua mo nananom koye edi dware akonwa we enda akonwa no mudi defend kronfo we ahemfo amaka insuta hene eye bantama hene ahemfo akasia mo mensia including otumfo akonwa kasia mudi Paul Adom-Otchere kwasia onka no kure kronfo we na modi makonwa no besi awawa ma Paul motete ho amenne Ghana for say ye penkonwa a protector kronfo a ye ntumi njamo ho ye bomu nyina mudin motete ho obi ankasa. Is this what you people want your grandchildren to come and meet? Paul Adom-Otchere nye nipa September eduabone ebodo no wu motete ho mo hyehyedem mo hyehyejabin mo hyehyejso jaache mo hyehyedem mo nyina mo te dia meka no enimguase mo be pie abekasa se kronfo we enye ne ye suppress system no mo hyehyedem ene saa na mo bese yakọ de ene yebekọ ne saa se saa na mo pese yakọ no Ghana. And with all due respect yebekọ ne saa every say kokrom emferese betaro o hene so a ende ye emferese de atawa asawa so beto so because ye hu ne say the Paul kan ye nyina no di amwa ye nyina na ye no kore intesi ayate ase until we hear from you people. Until we hear from you people. Muna muguono from Mensia to Jabin, from Jabin to Jache, from Jache to Insuta, from Insuta to Ejoso. Muna ende Paul Adom-Otchere e kache Ghana fo nyina se dwuma dia mudinie ye chia kromfo a na mo de makonwa ne montoma no ebu ejina oman no ekonso se ye nja kromfo mo monko. By September now Paul eduabola ma amene bo no nya no na eku no. Na de me ya say African slave. Say a woman who is an African slave. Paul Adom-Otchere yire. Ona na ho ya me mmobo. Kwasia we akodi sika wo Exim Bank. Akwedi fa woto. A woni akwa we jai. Na o magimi we aka kire say ye yi me free prison. Enti entembra fie betena camera nim. Na o ma me panyini oto atwentwom abetena ho. Ai, and you are my husband. Abra nya wo ne natifie. Abra nya wo ne be ma we natifie. Awari negu na wudi wenima betena TV so yakase African slave ebini Paul yire no. You know what is going on. You know your husband. We have shown you evidence. You know you are no more with the guy. Udine jai awari negu because of what? Now they unwabo honso ana. You cannot go out there. Exim Bank former MDR na onin wo hoi onye be man chepo. Na wasa betena hohoro to betena se ai ye de Paul ebanti me bekata ne nimguase so na betena TV so we nimguase ni mama we obesia young lady or say make sure you are a woman or substance be strong ye ka African slave. Jack ye bejudwem ye ko enim team. Do you have anything for me? If you have nothing, Paul free prison baye Adom-Otchere free prison baye ne tu bini ne nsan kan na de abesi plate so didi na wote ne nkyɛn oba o sɔre hohoro woto oba wo so wote fie ho na Jimmy we free prison aba we ndware ne sa hyehyɛ ne to na adwene nyinaa ba betena hɔ ne nsan wo bini ne ho kan oba ya boxers ɛhyɛ no ne hwewase nyinaa black ne ho fin obetena hɔ se gye aduane di na wote ne ho wɔ TV ho akwanu kan twitwi ne nse. Na wo your ba we can say we dey me kire nkora na wa ma wo ba be gina TV so na wo from wo say me dey be tiaware ase all because of TV. We nimguase ni ba wa sorry for no kwa so be hwe in a different way You are just an embarrassment to women. Akwa we akoda jail. Anadwiri nyina ne nsa hye ne to. We titi ne to a ne nsa kan. Ne ho ta. Box session no onwroye. Ne nsa hye ne hwo ho. Ene o de te eye cells so anadwumu ni nyina. E sori ba ya ye de plate besi ne nim a wo so abetena ho oba mu a. Akwa no ho sa te ne ho fin adena betena TV so say didi ne num kan and you don't have a landing property, it is in our name. Aware a obi di share woto a egu no TV so na wo be promote aware mona na mo bodam ye girem